I hope you guys.
I'm gonna hug you.
Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm here with my friend
Gabriela.
and we've been cooking all week.
It's been amazing.
So much fun. A recipe what I like to make with my girlfriends or when my girlfriend's coming over is a banana bread.
Yeah. So this is a paleo banana bread. It has 0 sugar. The sweetness comes from the banana itself, and it's super simple. You just put all the ingredients in the blender, you blend and shove it in the oven, and you're done.
And it's done. It's really easy. There are thousands of banana recipes out there, and I swear this one
It's amazing.
is amazing. Like the balance of everything. So we're gonna show you guys how to do this because it's super easy and quick. This is a trick I hadn't seen before either. Gabriela.
So I lined, just basically what I do is I spray some oil and then I line it with parchment paper, and it's the easiest way for cakes not to stick because it's super annoying.
A really good one actually.
Yeah.
So something else you need is a good blender to blend everything together. So yeah, we're gonna start with our ingredients.
We're gonna start with 4 brown bananas. It's about 2.5 cups of mashed bananas.
And make sure they're brown because then they're like much more sweetener.
Yeah,
And so your banana bread is gonna taste so much better.
Then you're gonna put 4 eggs.
I already like put them in a little bowl, so adding this. There we go.
Then you're gonna put half a cup of almond butter.
And make sure when you buy almond butter, you just buy like 100% almonds and not with any like added sugars.
Exactly, or oils. Like a lot of almond butters have palm oil. That's bad news. Then you're gonna put 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. It has to be melted.
Yeah, so what we did, we just put it in a little pan and we just melted. Literally, it takes a couple seconds to melt it before. So.
And if you live in a hot place, probably it's already melted.
And ta-da!
Now all the liquid ingredients are well mixed. It took us literally, 30 seconds?
Yeah, 30 seconds.
So you mix it very well. So it mixes into the wet ingredients very easily.
Okay, so we have everything mixed and we're gonna add it to the
Wet ingredients.
wet ingredients. Ta-da! I can already smell like,
So good.
what is it, the cinnamon or it's the coconut flour in here.
Oh, see? You can see here. There's like a bubble that just popped. Great toppings for banana breads would be like, for example, we have this like paleo granola. We sell these in my restaurant if you want. Otherwise, like
Sliced
tortilla
banana you can put on top.
Yes, definitely.
Really
Like a long slice is beautiful. So just always, guys, be creative and don't forget to send us the pictures. Okay, ready?
Ta-da! Delicious. Okay guys, we're gonna let this cool down for 30 minutes and then we're gonna have some tea time. Our banana bread is ready. Tea time.
Yeah.
I love to have banana bread like in the morning as with my coffee as breakfast, or in the afternoon as like a little snack.
Or at night, or at any time.
Any time of the day. The house smells amazing, you guys. And the fun part is actually the toppings.
Yes. So let's put some toppings. I love my banana bread with some honey and then some sesame seeds. What are you gonna do?
I'm in doubt. I saw this, I saw peanut butter. I'm obsessed with peanut butter, so I might do a little bit of that. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more cooking videos with Gabriella and me, then let us know. Bon appétit!
Bon appétit!